Hello and welcome back to another daily cubing video. So today I have a video about spinning a fidget spinner on one finger while doing these Rubik's cubes with one hand. So let's get right into it. I'm going to scramble them all up. So here they are all scrambled, and I am going to inspect the first cube and then I'll get right into the spinning. So here we go. Spin it, make sure it's balanced, and get right into it. There's one. There's two. Three. There's four. I don't think I'll make the last one, but here goes. Come on. No! Well, there it goes. It's kind of still spinning because it was going back, but I was almost done with it. So that's 5 cube solves while a fidget spinner was going. I didn't think I would do that well, but anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you tomorrow.